So the first step is gonna be again sanding, as always. Before you do anything, you need to sand the surface. For example, this door I've been sanding it so far 3 times. The first time, after the first time I put the coat of stain, then the second coat of stain before I put that one, and then now I'm sanding this one as well. So the paper I'm using is 255 grit. It's very fine paper, so it doesn't take off a lot of stain, just if there's any rough. But when you're staining, you need to stain down to the grain of the timber, not up, light, up, light, just lightly like that. So keep it sanded with the grain of the timber. Don't go over on this grain, because this grain going in a different direction. So it's not gonna look nice when you put the clean on it. So it has to go like this. Just a light sand, then you check. I'm gonna do all these horizontal ones first. Follow the grain of the timber. Now we're gonna do the side. Same process, follow the grain of the timber. Light sand. Always check if it's sanded alright or not. Side on it. After we do that, you need to dust it off. I'm gonna use my duster brush. Now I'm gonna use the metal spirit and clean it with metal spirit. So with metal spirit you clean all the fine dust, so there's none dust left on the timber, because we're gonna do clear stain, clear finish on the door. If there any dust, it will be visible on a clear. So this is the product, metal spirit. I'm gonna use microfiber cloth. So you have to clean all the surface that you're gonna do clear on it, pretty much. Even though I sanded it, you can see the microfiber still catching some grains of the timber. That's why you have to go down the grain like this. You gotta figure out which side is first. The grain that's going, you see, it's going that way. That's how you're supposed to clean it. Down the grain. This one is the way around. Down. When you clean timber like this, just before the putting clear on the top, shouldn't be concerned you're gonna catch any dust. particles or anything like that, and it should be nice and smooth. So you need to repeat this process on all the sides of the timber. Down the grain. This one is smooth, very smooth. So both sides of the door. Now we're gonna paint. I always start with the door frame. Try not to put too much stain, just enough. Always start from the corner like that. It's a lot easier. Lean the brush, lean the hand on the brush, not the other way around. That's why it's a lot easier to cut in straight line. And try to finish all the surfaces in one go. If the paint touching another surface, like in this point right now, if you're painting that and this edge here, it's gonna touch that, so that's gonna be finished. That's gotta be finished at the same time. Other way, we'll be able to see the difference between the stain, between the clear. Make sure always to lay off all the excess clear, so you don't have too much hanging around, too much clear hanging around. Always make sure you layer off all the way through, like that. It should be shiny everywhere. we're gonna start on door. Again, when you paint the door, don't overlap on that side. Just do timber by timber. Try to cut it in nicely on when the timber join up. Like that. Always check on the side, as you can see, and if you don't check you can miss stuff like that. Never do these edges with a fully loaded brush. Unload the brush on a bigger surface first, then do the edge, because you don't need that much paint for this edge here. And if the brush is fully loaded, you're gonna have a crease all the time, constantly on the corner here. still drying off. But yeah, that's how I do these doors. Anything that's with the clear, pretty much that's the process. Thank you for watching.